am your sis.
Greetings, my name is Stajabu.
I'm Dr. V.S. Chochezi.
And together we are Straight Out Scribes.
She's the money.
That's my fantastic daughter, who is now Dr. V.S. Chochezi after getting her doctorate in education from Drexel University. I'd like to give thanks to the Most High created energy in the universe, first of all, to our ancestors on whose shoulders we stand, to our elders whose advice we seek daily, to our youth, who are our hope for tomorrow and our future leaders. And I'd like to thank all the people responsible for this program and all of you in attendance. We have a new book out, but I'm going to read from one of our older books. We have 7 books of poetry. This is our 25th year of doing poetry as a mother-daughter team. And this is National Poetry Month. And we've been celebrating everything. Earth Day, Poetry Month, Mumia's birthday. Mumia Abu Jamal is in critical condition in Pennsylvania. If you don't know about it, go online, call somebody. He needs letters, calls, everything, anything you can do to help. He's very sick. Bird of prey. There's a bird of prey out there, and you need to be aware because it's masquerading as an eagle. There's a bird of prey out there, and you need to beware because it's wearing the disguise of an eagle. Check it. There's a bird of prey out there perpetrating an eagle and is killing people on Osage, Panama, Libya, Iraq, around the corner of the street, in the laboratories, penitentiaries, ghettos, barrios, reservations, and Bantustan's. I said, there's a bird of prey out there, and you better be aware because it thrives on destruction, chaos, chemical warfare, plastics, pesticides, power lines, 16-wheelers, cloning kits, television program, and artificial flavor. A dangerous new species spawned by greed itself. This bird will swoop you up so fast, you won't even remember your last thought about what you should have been aware of while you were being mesmerized by the Whitewater Unabomber, OJ, Super Bowl, Olympics, music videos, smoke screens in your eyes. And you become disoriented and surprised as the vulture, viper, vampire, velociraptor, with the most hideous and villainous of intentions, intent on your demise, carries you off to the nest where it devours everyone and everything and gives back nothing but grief, and will steal and cheat and seldom rest because it never gets enough to eat. Yeah, I'm telling you, there's a bird of prey out there, and you need to take care because it's lurking in the shadows, can't stand the light, loves lies, greed, trickery, deceit, bloody competition, and war toys. Better guard your little girls and boys because there's a bird of prey out there, and you better beware because its only natural enemy is intelligence.
That's the job, Leon.